From our previous video, we learned on cofactors, and now we want to implement it into the first example we have for inverse matrix of a 3 by 3 matrix. Now this is the summary of what we did, where we had matrix A, and we're looking for the cofactor C, and these are the elements of the cofactor from here, and we went on to this, and finally here. Now these are theorems. Now let us implement it into an example. Now with this example, now we want to evaluate the cofactor for this. Obviously we know that C is equals to A11, A12, A13 down to A33, A31, A32, and A33. Now interesting, next thing we do, add the place sign, please. Positive, negative, positive, positive, negative, positive, positive, negative, positive. Now with that done, now let us now evaluate the cofactors. So cofactor for element 1, that's 1, that's A11, A11. First of all, the place sign as we've seen before, and determinant of a 2 by 2 matrix will be generated by highlighting horizontally and vertically 1502, 1502. Now this is equals to positive of 1 into 2, right, minus 0 into 5. This is 2. Remember, the place sign is important, please. It cannot be overemphasized. Positive and 2 minus 0, which is equal to 2, plus 2 or just 2. Now we continue. A12. A12 is the cofactor for element 2, so it is negative. The place sign is negative. Then we are after this horizontally, vertically 4562, and now we have 45 and 62. So this will be negative. The place sign, very important again, and we evaluate the determinant. 42 multiplied by 2 minus 6 multiplied by 5. So this will be negative of 8 minus 30. Negative of 8 minus 30. This will give us minus into minus 22, which is 22, positive 22. Now A13 now. Okay, A13, place sign positive. We are looking up towards this horizontally, vertically. We are left with 4160. So we are 4160. So with that done, we say this is positive, the place sign of 4 into 0 minus 6 into 1. So this is positive, place sign of 4 multiplied by 0 is 0, 6 multiplied by 1 is 6, and this will give us 0 minus 6, and that will give us negative 6. Now we can see how interesting this is. Then we move on and say, oh, let's evaluate for A121 now. A21, that is the cofactor for element 4. The place sign on that is 4, as we have is positive, and okay, let's evaluate what we have there. Horizontally, vertically, we are left with 2, 3, 2, 0, just as we did in matrices, in determinants. 2, 3, 0, 2, together. 2, 3, 0, 2. So this will be positive of, let's see, 2 multiplied by 2 minus 0 multiplied by 3. So this is positive of 4 minus 0, and this will give us plus 4. We can just simply write 4. Okay, now there is a mistake. there is a big mistake. Yes, I know you must have observed it. The place signs here on the second row is wrong. The place sign on the second row should be negative, positive, and negative. Negative, let's use a blue ink. Negative, positive, and negative. Now, this is very important because once we miss this whole step, the rest is gone. So please take note of this. Now, so let's correct that now. This is negative, meant to be negative, and let's implement that. So always confirm your place signs, and this will give us -4. Now let's evaluate for A22. A22 is this, which is the cofactor of 1. The place sign is positive, and vertically, horizontally, 1, 3, 6, 2. 1, 3, okay, 1, 3, 6, 2, and this will give us what? Positive of 1 multiplied by 2 minus 6 multiplied by 3. Now this gives us positive of 2 minus 18, and this will result into negative 16. Now we have done for A11, A12, A13, A21, A22. What we are left with is A23, A31, A32, and A33. You can pause the video right away now and evaluate for A22, A23, A31, A32, and A33. Now let's evaluate for A23. A23 is the cofactor of 5. The place sign on this is negative. Negative, and vertically, horizontally, 1, 2, 6, 0. 1, 2, 6, 0. And this will be negative of 1 multiplied by 0 minus 6 multiplied by 2. So this is negative of 0 minus 12. 0 minus 12 is 12. This minus 12 multiplied by minus negative at the end is equal to positive 12, which you can just write as 12. All right, moving on, A31, which is the cofactor of 6. So I write the place sign positive, vertically, horizontally, and we left it 2, 3, 1, 5. Vertically, horizontally, 2, 3, 1, 5. And so this will have positive of 2 multiplied by 5 minus 1 multiplied by 3, and this will give us positive of 10 minus 3, and this will give us positive 7, simply 7. Now A32, now second to the last, I believe we got A23 and also the answer for A31. Now let's do for A32 now, which is this. The place sign of 8, okay, A32 is 0. The place sign for 8 is negative. Negative. And vertically, horizontally, what is left is 1, 3, 4, 5. 1, 3, 4, 5. And that will be negative of 1 into 5 minus 3 into 4. So we'll have negative of 5, okay, minus 12. So this will give us negative into negative 7, which will give us what? 7. Now A33, finally A33, which is the cofactor of 2. The place sign there is positive, and vertically, horizontally, we are left with 1, 2, 4, 1. Vertically, horizontally, 1, 2, and 4, 1. So when we simplify this now, we have positive of 1 multiplied by 2 minus, okay, 1 multiplied by 1 minus 4 multiplied by 2. So this is positive of 1 minus 8. 1 minus 8 is minus 7, right? Negative 7. Now that we have evaluated all the cofactors, yes, it was quite lengthy, but it is very important. We have evaluated all the cofactors. The next thing to do now is to put them all in this. Okay, we know that the cofactor is A11, A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, and A33. So after we have done that now, we evaluate, we substitute the value, we check what is A11. A11 is 2. We come and we evaluate, put 2. A12 is 22. 22. A13 minus 6, negative 6. A21 negative 4. A22 negative 16. And A23 12. A31 7. A32 7 also, and this A33 negative 7. Now this is the cofactor for this. Now with that done, now this is just for example 1. You can now try evaluating cofactor for question 2. 2, 3, 5, 4, 1, 6 and 1, 4, 0. Perform the same operation and let's evaluate the cofactor.